matusok ka.
So we are on our way to the island tour. Ang aming, no? Ikaw ba si aming?
Aming po.
Kumusta?
Kami
So,
po yung
punta muna tayo sa boat.
boatman. Umaya, magkalapit tayo. Pag high tide, makalapit na tayo dyan.
Balicasag at saka
Balicasag
Virgin
at
Island ba?
saka Virgin Island yung pupuntahan namin.
Yung Virgin Island ba yung sandbar?
At yung sandbar po.
Ay, sandbar. Okay. Ano mauna? Sandbar?
Yung mauna muna kami sa Balicasag Island.
Balicasag muna. Sige. Tapos sandbar.
Tapos sandbar yung Virgin Island.
Okay. There's the boat. Okay, ito na yung boat.
Ito
Grand
po yung
Prix. ilang minutes yung Balicasag?
40 minutes papunta doon.
Okay. Ayun na yun, no? Kita ba dito?
Yan siya. Doon. Yung may isla.
Yun pala yun.
40 to 30.
Nakita namin yun sa airplane eh.
Oo. Diyan.
Ayun na. We're trying to go to the deeper portion so they can use the motor. Alin? Ayan, no? Let's go. Anay, okay ka lang? Ano, kamusta? Ito ang captain namin.
Si
Captain!
yung
Captain, bahala ka na sa amin, ha?
alalayan namin sila.
Sige, punta tayo Balicasag. Buti hindi masyadong mainit, no?
Balikasag, akala ko malikasan.
Maano, cloudy?
Balikasag.
Balicasag Island is about 40 minutes by boat from Panglao Island in Bohol province. And you can actually see this island before the plane lands in Panglao Airport. And also from the hotel that we're staying, you can see the island as well. Okay, so we're almost here at Balicasag Island. The water, man. The water in the Philippines is amazing.
Ano kasi yung hangin ngayon?
Hey, we're here. Okay. Just talking. Welcome to Balicasag Island.
Balik ko mag-ano.
Okay, we're here. We'll probably fly the drone.
Halaman. Akala ko kung on. Ang bulak-bulak.
This is nice. Reminds me of Apple Island actually.
Nag-use ako ngayon. Grabe ang energy.
May souvenir dito sa
Balikasag.
Sitio ang tawag.
Oo, sitio lang.
Anong sitio? Balicasag?
Balicasag.
Anong tawag? Balicasag.
Sakop lang kami sa Panglao, sir.
Mga ilang families?
Panglao.
200 plus.
200 families?
Marami tao yan dito.
So nagpupunta rin kayo
Marami din.
sa
Marami.
nagpupunta rin kayo sa Panglao.
Minsan, sir, kung may pira, magpunta.
Pero may mga ano kayo dito, mga tindahan ganyan.
Oo, may mga tindahan dito.
Dami pa ng tao, no? Akala ko konti lang.
Oo. Ay, ano na, sir. Maraming.
Marami ng turista ngayon, di ba?
Kasi maraming kamukha.
Adulas tuloy ako sa salita.
Huwag mo kalimutan siya.
Oo, mag-ikot muna kami ng ate niya. Oo.
Yung pangalan mo, sir?
Mel po, Mel. Ano pang pangalan niya?
Erlin po.
Erlene. Sige, dito muna kami.
Kung si Erlin, dito lang kayo.
Ha?
dito muna kayo papahinga.
Sige, pahinga muna.
Mamaya kung gusto yung palipad ng drone.
A lot of people live here. Wasn't expecting that. So we're just gonna walk around. Some fishermen and some boat tours are here too. And snorkeling and diving, I think. Very laid back. Ganda ng island. Reminds me of Apple actually. Reminds me of Apple. The rocks here. Hello, Nay. Ayan, lunch. Anong lunch mo, Nay? Sinigang.
Talakitok.
Talakitok po, sinigang.
Nilaga. Tinola.
Tinola. Sabi mo kanina, tinola.
Tinolang talakitok.
Ayan. Talakitok.
Wow, sis kain. Sige.
Ay, wow, sarap. Hey, doggy. Lunch.
Grabe, sarap.
Lunch at Balicasag. Masarap po ang luto nyo.
Ang sarap ng sabaw. Siya lang luto.
Ano siya?
Asawa mo? Hindi po. Asawa mo?
So what happened was we were in the water for like 30 minutes but had to go back because we have engine trouble. So the boatman decided just to come back here just to make sure, fix the engine before we proceed. That's the boat. That's our boat. They removed the motor. They're fixing it. They're over there. So in the meantime, it's 12 o'clock. We had lunch already. Might as well make the most of Balicasag while they're fixing the motor and it's raining. Anyway, still early. Just enjoy the island while they're fixing the motor. Oh, that's our boat.
The engine was beyond repair, unfortunately, so we had to hitch a ride in one of the boats returning to Panglao.
So this is Alona Beach. This is not too far from the hotel. We just took a tricycle. This area is more busy because there are more hotels here and there are more restaurants here.
Alona Beach is a public beach located in Panglao Island in Bohol. Lining the 1 kilometer stretch of beach, you will see white sand, rocky cliffs, commercial facilities, restaurants, and hotels. This place actually reminds me of Boracay.